this is the life. Relaxing in this pool, in this nice shady area. I think I picked the perfect spot of the campground. I don't mean to jinx it, but I think officially nothing can ruin this day. It's just me, the pool, and let's see, who else? Oh, me! And I've got the spot all to myself. Ah! Whoa, 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 what's going on? Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, Gabriel, you like my super splash ducky? What's that? You want me to come in with you instead of using the duck? Okay. Cannonball! Ah, nice and refreshing. Marklin engine, what are you doing here? It's the best spot in the campground, Gabriel. Everyone wants to set up here. Well, I got here first, so go away. Okay, fine. Well, here we are, team. The campground. And I know the best spot in the whole place. Right? What the heck? Those lousy trains took our spot. They're making Blue Boy very angry. Don't worry, guys. Those two dorks don't stand a chance against us. I'm gonna go pour all their water out. I'm gonna go chase them around the campground. I'm gonna go drown them. No, not that far, bud. Not that far. Sneak up right here. 3, 2, 1, left. Whoa, what's going on? Ah! What just happened? What? I said, I think they took our spot. What the? Who are those guys? I'll tell you who we all are, right, yellow one. We are the ultimate cool cars in town, and we are here to take that spot. No way. We got here first. It's ours. Well, we got here after, and we're taking it. Gabriel, I think it's time to activate Plan B. What's Plan B? I don't know. I didn't think this would happen. Let's go under the shell and discuss. So what do you think we should do? Marklin engine, I never thought I'd ever hear myself say this as long as we live, but we need to team up and stop those mongrels. I never thought I'd hear myself say this, but you're right. Hey, you guys! What? We're taking you down with the power of flip-flop. Oh, yeah? Flip-flop versus flip-flop, then. Except ours is cooler. They're the same flip-flops, you idiots. Well, ours is still cooler. Flip fight! Ugh. Went right over me, losers. Yeah, because that was Marklin engine that threw. Time for me to take some action here. Ugh. Ugh. Holy crud, those guys are actually kind of good. Plan B, Plan B. I never thought I'd have to use this karate move. Ow, that's gonna leave a mark. Don't worry, Gabriel, I'll save you. I'm stuck under the shell. Perfect. Well, you got the easy way out. And so did we. We don't have to do anything to this guy. He's already stuck. Let's finish the yellow one. Oh no! I think I am about to be defeated. Who will help now? Marklin engine, go! Is that the signal? That's the signal? Yeah, oh, okay. Whoa, 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 whoa! Enough fooling around. Guys, over here, I got both flip-flops. Oh shoot, we're outnumbered. What do we do now? You guys ready to say goodbye the hard way? Mommy, take them out! Wait a second. Gabriel, stay there! Whoa, that was actually an impressive hustle. Hurry! Ow. I know what to do. It's a good thing the water shortage ended yesterday. Any last words before we take this spot and finish you? Okay, you guys won. But I do have one last word. What is it? Quack.
Quack, 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 quack.
Oh, no, it's the super splash ducky. Ah! Mommy! Marklin engine, you did it! I did? Yeah, you got our spot back. Hooray! And now those nasty campers will never see us again. You can say that again, all thanks to the duck. Yeah, that was some takeout. You turned the water off, right? Huh? The water, you turned it off, right? No! What the? How'd you guys get over here? I really don't want to talk about it. Well, I guess all of us learned a valuable lesson today. What is it? When you fight over something, it just makes things worse. Even though we're too cool for morals, I think that kid does speak for all of us. Now I'm gonna go get a real cool off and get some ice cream before they run out for the day. Hey, ice cream sounds pretty good. It does at this hour. Marklin engine, quick, call in and book the good seats. We're already one step ahead of you, suckers. You guys, you're touching me in bad places. Stop it, stop it. This looks like a nice, refreshing spot to cool off. Oh, I left my sandals here, too. What's wrong with that duck squirty thing?